Finding the courage to change. The pursuit of honesty. Do I have the courage to be honest and authentic? Can I be my true self rather than a Frankenstein of personalities made up to please the people around me? I've spent an entire lifetime pleasing other people. How do I change that habit? Lesson 3 in A Course in Miracles introduces this simple idea. I do not understand anything I see. I'd never considered that my perception of reality was possibly inaccurate. It's an unsettling idea. I knew that there were lots of things that I didn't understand in the world, but now my entire reality was up for revision. That was scary, but it was always also intriguing. Suddenly, I had an opportunity to change everything in a very simple way. I just had to develop the courage to change perceptions. Did I have the courage to look at myself and my perceptions in a new way? Could I examine every belief that I had? If I didn't understand anything, then my world was about to turn upside down. The 12-step programs and A Course in Miracles both have the same focus. They focus on developing a relationship with a higher power. Both programs require something big. We have to be willing to consider the idea that there is a higher power. But if I don't understand anything, perhaps I can revise my beliefs about a higher power. And once I connect with my higher power, then I have a source of energy available for change. Once I plug into Source, I have the power. I can use it to continue my reality changing pursuit of honesty.